Okay, class, picking up where we left off at, we had 172.1 square feet, and it says how many square feet of fabric do you need to buy? Now, you know when you go to the store, they would not give you 0.1 measurement of square feet to buy, so you will have to go to the next square footage. So it'll be 173 square feet. Now we want to know how much will this cost? So we'll take 173 times 0.11. We take that in our calculator. That would give us $19.03. That's how much will be spent. Now we come here, it says you want to put mulch on your garden to a depth of 5 centimeters. If the volume of a rectangular box like your garden is the product of length, width, and height, what volume of mulch is needed in cubic meters? So before we do anything, let's change this 5 centimeters to cubic meters. Now it takes 100 centimeters to equal 1 meter. So we would take this 5 centimeters and we will move this decimal 2 places to the left. So this will become 0.05 meters. So now that we know what our depth is, which is our height, we would take the volume formula. It'd be length times width times height. Now before, our length was 8, our width was 2, and now our height is 0.05. And we know this is all meters. So we will multiply this. We know this ends up being 16 times 0.05, which will give us 0.8. So our volume is equal to 0.8 cubic meters. That is our volume. Now we scroll to the next page. It says here, convert your answer from part C into cubic feet. So we want to take cubic meters and make that into cubic feet. So we know 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So what we need to do is we need to change these feet to cubic feet. So it'd be 3.28 feet, and we would take this to the third power. Actually, we'd take both sides to the third power. So we would have 1 cubic meter is equal to, we'd take 3.28 to the third power. And that would give us 35.287552. So we'll just leave it as 3. Well, actually, they asked us to write this as cubic feet. So this is what we would do. We would have our 0.8 meters cubed multiplied by, 1 cubic meter is the same as 3.28 feet cubed. So now, we would simplify out the meters cubed. We put this over 1. And then we would take our calculator. We would take 0.8 times 3.28 to the third power. That would give us 28.23, and all these numbers behind the decimal. We round this to 1 decimal place. So it would be approximately 28.2 cubic feet. Now it says Menard sells bags of mulch in bags that contain 2 cubic feet for $2.87. How many bags will you need? No, you have to buy enough bags to fill the job. Now, so we would take our 28.2 cubic feet and we would divide it by 2 cubic feet. And we will multiply that answer by $2.87 because for every 2 cubic feet, we have to pay $2.87. So we'll take 28.2 divided by 2, then multiply that by $2.87. And that would give us approximately $40.47. Okay, class, I made a slight error here because they just wanted to know how many bags we needed. So what we need to do is this here. It seems that each bag comes in 2 cubic feet. So we would take the 28.2 divided by 2 like we have here. That will give us 14.1. Okay, now we know we do not have 0.1 of a bag, so it'll give us 15 bags. Now, we would take how much it would cost. We would take 15 times $2.87. So we will multiply that 15 times $2.87. And that will give us $43.05. That will be our final answer for how much it costs. Now, how much more will you have left over? Okay, now remember, we had 14.1 bags, but we had to get 15 bags. So we would subtract, we would have 15 minus 14.1, and that would leave us 0.9. But remember, in each bag, there are 2 cubic feet of mulch. So we would have to multiply this by 2, and that will leave us 1.8 cubic feet of mulch left over. And that is our final answer. And we are done.